Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice chat on the Warface game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Warface game on your device. And once you open it up, you will need to complete the basic tutorial levels before you will be able to play with your friends. Now, if you wish to use the voice chat within the game, then you will first need to enable it from the settings menu. In order to access settings, just pause your game and then click on options. If you are within the main menu, you can simply tap on the O button within your keyboard to access this page. Once you are within the settings page, click on audio and now you will see the enable VoIP button. Go ahead and click on this checkbox and now you will be able to set up the volume as well as mic sensitivity. After tapping on the test button and testing your mic and volume settings, you can have push to talk enabled by tapping on the enable push to talk option. Finally, click on the apply button and now voice chat will be enabled within your game, after which you will be able to use voice chat features while playing your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable voice chat within the Warface game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.